Okay, so I'm joined by Pete Sowinski. He's the president of Medco West Electronics. So nice for you to come in and join us today, Pete.
Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, tell us or tell our viewers a little bit about Medco West. Where are you located? What sort of size of company?
Well, we're
are you?
located in Hackensack, New Jersey, and we have approximately 10,000 square feet, about 25 to 30 employees.
Right.
And we have an extended facility that we could use in Long Island that gives us bigger capabilities if needed.
Okay, and what sort of accreditations do you have up there?
We're ISO 9001-2015, and we are all our solderers and QC people are IPC trained.
Trained.
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so typically your customer base is small to medium batch customers, and they tend to be with you for the long term.
Yes.
As I understand.
We're looking for partnerships with customers to be like their manufacturing arm, so we set up those relationships and partnerships so we can help them grow, because that's what we want to do as a company also.
Right.
Give us more capabilities and give them better quality.
So you're looking for startups and to sort of grow with them, that type of thing?
Yes, to take them through the full prototype and try to get to a place where we can be their manufacturing resource through all their products that they build in the future.
Okay.
And go ahead.
Yeah. So they basically you don't do the design in-house. So you take the design in, you do the board build, and in some cases, if necessary, you can go forward to box build if necessary.
Yes, we can go to box build. We don't do it currently, but we have the capabilities of doing it. We do take in design from customers, and we do offer them PC board layout if they need it, and we do offer them redesign, especially in today's times with all the component issues.
Right.
We'll take boards and work with them to maybe possibly change out parts to different packages, and we'll redesign that so they have multiple sources so they can keep their business going.
Right, excellent. So you mentioned you've got a couple of different facilities up there. What are the characteristics of the two facilities, and how do they work together?
We basically kind of work separate on our own customer bases, but we're kind of set up so that we can have redundancy. If they have an overflow of production, we can handle it because the machinery is kind of redundant. We have the same machines that they have, so it's just a drop in.
Right.
And we could do the same thing especially if we have a customer that we're growing with, and they are going to a higher volume thing, possibly that we can't handle in house. We can send it over to Long Island, and they can help us, fulfill the quantities.
That quantity. Yeah. Okay, excellent. Okay, and we just come out of obviously COVID with all these issues with supply chain.
Yes.
How big a problem was that for you?
The problems have been huge. It's an everyday battle. We have a good team in there that is consistently looking at parts every single day to try to get them in-house and to keep our customers from. We actually, when this all started up, we talked to our customers and we basically told them that we're going to go out and look at your assemblies, which we did, so that they could put in blanket orders in the future showing that they'll have deliveries capability for the next year.
Right.
And we did that for them, and everything's in place. So we kind of work, it's a big partnership.
Yeah.
And currently
that's a lot of inventory then that's sitting on.
Is
that sitting on their balance sheet?
It depends on the situation.
Right.
We've changed things up a little bit where we do some material buys that they pay for if we have to wait for a part that's long term.
Right.
Or we've been sitting on a lot of material also so that we can give them what they need. And it's both ways.
Okay.
It's not a one-way thing.
Okay.
What we do now for them, though, even so, is we set up a daily thing where we send out quotes on orders that they might potentially make in the next few months. And we actually hooked up with a company called CalcuQuote, where we can easily send out their bills of materials quickly and get it back and let them know if there's going to be an issue for their next order. So that if they need to get it in earlier, or if the part's not going to be available, they can look at redesign, or we can bring the kit in early before they actually even need it.
Yeah, that's a really valuable system.
Yeah, so we're trying to be the value supplier for all our customers.
Yeah.
And we're looking to grow and try to bring more customers like that in.
Yeah. Well, I mean, You've been the lucky recipient of one of the Global Technology Awards later today.
Yes,
so
I
want
heard
to
that, and I
congratulate
appreciate
you
that.
on that.
Thank
And
you so
obviously
much.
It's based on the service that you're currently providing.
Yes. Well, we're trying to be that, and all the employees there are dedicated to service and quality for our customers. And that's big, and that's what has been our driving force for all these years. That's why we're successful.
Well, having a good, stable workforce that's with you all the time,
Yeah.
and the same extends to your customer base, because
Yes.
most of your customers have been with you
Yeah.
for
So
10
it's,
to
it's,
20
it's a
years.
good, well balance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent. So yeah, once again, Peter, congratulations, and thank you for coming in and telling us a little bit about Medco West today.
Well, thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Thanks.
Nordson Electronic Solutions. Everything you need for precision automated fluid dispensing, conformal coating, plasma surface treatment, and selective soldering. Our passion is helping customers take their processes further, faster, with best-in-class technologies, dedicated global sales and support teams, and unmatched applications expertise. From the names you respect, Asamtech Fluid Dispensing and Conformal Coating, March Plasma Treatment, and Select for selective soldering, we offer years of experience in advanced technology solutions for electronics manufacturing. Take your electronics assembly process further, faster,